Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sink drain cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Fevel PLT Wild Tornado Pipe Dredge. This product is designed as a powder-based, fast-foaming drain cleaner that tackles clogs caused by fat, oil, soap, and food residue. With its highly effective formula, it's ideal for kitchen sinks, bathtub drains, showers, and even toilet pipes. It works by boosting water flow efficiency and enhancing drainage performance. The product comes with 2 bottles, and each bottle contains 3.9 ounces of powder. For best results, it's recommended to mix the powder with hot water to activate its powerful foaming action. While the Wild Tornado is effective at breaking down grease and soap residue, it does require a bit more effort during preparation compared to other products. You'll need to prepare hot water, mix it with the powder, and let it sit for 30 minutes, a process that may not be convenient for everyone. However, the formula is safe for pipelines, making it a good choice for households concerned about damaging their plumbing systems. In terms of value, this product is great for those who want a budget-friendly, versatile solution for various types of clogs. However, it lacks the ease of use seen in some of the higher-ranked products on this list. If you don't mind the prep work and are looking for a cost-effective drain cleaner, the Wild Tornado is worth considering. The main drawbacks are the preparation time and the need to manually mix the powder with hot water for activation, which could be inconvenient for quick fixes. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Plink Fizzy Drain Freshener and Cleaner. This product stands out for its ease of use and its focus on odor elimination. It comes in a 6-pack of single-use tablets that you simply drop into your drain. The fizzy action releases a pleasant lemon scent while breaking down minor buildups and preventing clogs. It's septic safe and works with all plumbing systems, making it a hassle-free choice for households looking to maintain fresh-smelling drains. The main draw of Plink is its simplicity. You don't need to scrub, mix, or prepare anything. Just drop a tablet into your drain twice a week and let it work its magic. However, it's worth noting that Plink is more of a maintenance product than a heavy-duty clog remover. It excels at preventing odors and minor buildup, but may not be effective against stubborn or deeply rooted clogs. The lemon scent is a nice touch, leaving your kitchen or bathroom smelling fresh after use. Plink is ideal for people who want a quick, no-mess solution to keep their drains odor-free. It's not the most cost-effective option if you're dealing with frequent or severe clogs, as you'll need to use the tablets regularly. Overall, Plink is a great choice if your primary concern is odor control and light maintenance, but it falls short when it comes to tackling serious clogs. Taking the number 3 spot is the Unlosh Foaming Drain Cleaner. This product is a versatile cleaning solution that combines clog removal with deodorizing action. Its foaming formula is easy to use. Just apply it to your sink or drain and the foam does the work for you. It's designed to flush out clogs and improve water flow while eliminating unpleasant odors. The product comes in a 2-pack, making it a good value for regular maintenance. One of the standout features of the Unlosh Cleaner is its gentle formula, which is safe for all types of pipes and plumbing systems. This makes it a worry-free option for households concerned about potential damage to their plumbing. The product is widely applicable, working on kitchen drains, bathroom sinks, bathtubs, and even floor drains. However, it's worth noting that the product may not work as well in wash basins that are less than 8.7 inches tall, so it's important to check compatibility before purchasing. Unlosh is a strong contender for those looking for an all-in-one solution that addresses both clogs and odors. The foaming action is effective, but it may not be as powerful as some mechanical tools when dealing with heavy hair clogs or deep blockages. Overall, it's a versatile and easy-to-use product that balances performance with safety, making it a great choice for routine drain maintenance. In the number 2 spot, we have the FlexiSnake Drain Weasel Sink Snake. This product is a highly effective mechanical solution for removing hair and grime from bathroom and bathtub drains. The 18-inch snake features micro hooks that latch onto clogs, and the 360-degree rotating handle allows for easy maneuvering. The package includes 5 disposable wands and a reusable handle, providing excellent value for households with recurring clog issues. FlexiSnake's unique design is what sets it apart. The micro hooks are incredibly effective at grabbing hair and other debris, making it a top choice for bathrooms. The disposable wands ensure that cleanup is quick and sanitary. Just toss the used wand and attach a new one. However, it's worth mentioning that this product is primarily designed for hair clogs and may not be as effective for grease or food-related blockages in kitchen sinks. This tool is perfect for anyone who struggles with frequent hair clogs in their bathroom. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and doesn't require any harsh chemicals. The only downside is its somewhat limited scope. It's not as versatile as some of the chemical cleaners on this list. Still, if hair clogs are your main concern, the FlexiSnake is an excellent choice. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Kefar Drain Clog Remover Tool Set. This comprehensive 9-piece kit includes a 35.5-inch metal clog remover, 6 25-inch drain snakes, and 2 cleaning brushes. It's designed to tackle a wide range of clog types, from tear and dirt to deeper blockages in toilets, kitchen sinks, and sewers. The tools are made from durable, environmentally friendly materials and are reusable, making this set an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. What sets the Kefar kit apart is its versatility and thoughtful design. The metal clog remover is perfect for deep clogs, while the plastic drain snakes are highly effective for hair removal. The cleaning brushes are bendable and great for maintaining the inner walls of pipes. The tools are easy to use. Just insert, rotate, and pull out the blockage. This kit eliminates the need for harsh chemicals and expensive plumber visits, and its reusable design adds to its overall value. Kefar's Drain Clog Remover is ideal for households that want a reliable, long-term solution for keeping their drains clear. It's especially useful for homes with pets or individuals with long hair, as it handles hair clogs exceptionally well. The only downside is that it requires manual effort, which may not appeal to everyone. However, its effectiveness, durability, and eco-friendly design make it the best overall product on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.